Warentina van Goolder, half-sister of the 1.60 m horse Easy Money. This filly is a half-sister of the international 160 level jumping horse Easy Money of Uday Fuad Farhan Abdul Hamdan, as well as a 1.40 m level show jumper. Her dam Tarantina has already produced international show jumpers in direct and indirect line, and from this direct part of Oldenburg Dam Line 160 also descend the Grand Prix stallions 4 Edition the First and Ramanov, as well as the 1.60 m level performer Alvin Zat. Warentina van Goolder is sired by the Olympic stallion Zirocco Blue VDL, who already produced top horses like Eddie Blue, Deep Blue Bridge S, El Rocco and Glamour Girl.